So I could pretend I made it all the way up to the glacier. You know, there it is, continuing. Except I'm about half a mile from it. If it comes out right, I'll zoom in a bit. You see a very dramatic blue colour to the glacier. Both the two strands, the one coming down from higher up and that lower stretch which feeds in here. And that's because of the compressed ice. All the air's been squeezed out as the snow falls continuously and gets tamped down, and you can also see dark patches which are the crevices as they're exposed at the melting front of the glacier itself. So normal ice and snow appears white or clear because the air bubbles trapped in it scatter the light, but the compressed ice has no air in it, so a lot of absorption goes on in the frozen water, and the light that does manage to bounce back out tends to be of the blue end of the spectrum. So remember, that's where it is now. I'm going to turn around. There's a few ice banks, snow banks, and it used to go all the way down this valley and meet up with the one coming over the mountain on the right flank there. So the two glaciers merged and went all the way down the valley, and they would have been joined, by the way, with those coming down from the other side over there, where I can fairly easily see three glaciers that are working their way down the valleys on that far side of the lake. So they would all have come down at one point in time, probably before the visitor centre was built, and then gone out to the sea where I drove along this morning to get here. And all the very heavy evidence of glaciation in this valley, by the way. You see the rock faces scoured. All the rubble is down here at the bottom of the valley, and there's big piles of moraine. There's an obvious example of one just there, piles of rubble, where the glacier reached one of its recent limits, like a bulldozer, pushing all that down there, but then retreated from it, leaving the hill of rubble behind. And I do see up there that giveaway blue light that there is a glacier that was much more powerful in the past up there too, coming down to join the others at the head of the valley there.